He's always been capable, it's just that he's just not had the luck going his way. But he's got a sniff here of Anderson's back wheel. Now, can Cordy get in with this as well? Here they come to start another lap. Anderson's back wheel picked up, under power. Churchy goes for a terror for his goals, gets a very clear vision. He's now 18 points from the PAR Honda. We're 7 minutes and a bit gone, so we've still plenty of time. I would hazard guess probably 3 laps left. Maybe 4. 3 laps plus the last lap flag. But Tom Church definitely getting closer to Brad Anderson, and Anderson will hear of that. He will be able to hear the safety point behind the score. The CCM, predominantly the Yamaha engine that's in that point, very much similar to the 450. But the frame all sits here. Across the top they go, and the gap just opened up again. TC not able to close it down. Has another look as Anderson just ups the ante, pours on the coals, stokes the boiler on the PAR Homes Honda. Here he comes, and the gap open up again. Anderson knows his way around this track. Great doing up over the last 2 years as Brad Anderson. He's won this championship numerous occasions. Comes all the way down. It'll be a fun trial as I expect on Sunday in the Red Bull Pro MX Series event. I'm told they are extremely well run and highly professional events. Across the top towards you again on the brand of the top 3. The gap between first and third hasn't changed that much except when Conquest started to make it into Anderson's lead. But it was the Stockton. Good. Stores. And Anderson looks as if he's got this on a rail. Every corner exactly the same, just nails it in the corner, knows exactly where he's going to put that bike. Gets it nailed in, gets the power down. And Jerky, well, riding so well here tonight. Doesn't know the track as well as the man in front. Here he comes, and there is a slight glimmer of hope. Last lap flag. Anderson loops it over the tabletop. Churchy right with him. Are we going to see a last lap dash here? Are we going to see this one pulled off by Churchy? Doesn't get the drive out of the finish right underneath the right, and allowed Anderson to pull a gap on him. Champion Brad Anderson, he's done enough tonight to seal the championship here tonight. He is the champion. Give a round of applause, people. A great win, and the championship once again in Anderson's pocket. Stephen Sword brings it home in third. And Stevens, well, he fought hard as the opening few laps, but the 2 out front just determined to keep mixing. Here we go. This is, and number 9 gets the best of it. Number 9 is 4. Consistent riding from Lewis, but really a little bit outgunned from the guys out front here tonight.